Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Mobile. First, download the official Fortnite app from your device's app store. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements, which usually include at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern operating system. Once installed, log in with your Epic Games account or create a new one. Before jumping into a match, take a moment to adjust your graphics settings for the best balance of visual quality and smooth performance on your specific mobile device. Mastering the touch controls is key to success. You'll find virtual joysticks for movement on the left and action buttons on the right. Take advantage of the customizable HUD layout to arrange buttons exactly where your fingers naturally rest, improving your reaction time. Many new players find the auto-fire option helpful for initial engagements. For those seeking a console-like feel, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering more precise aiming and building. In combat, quick weapon switching is crucial. You'll typically carry up to 5 items, including weapons and healing. Practice building simple structures like walls for instant cover and ramps to gain a height advantage over opponents. Remember, weapon rarities, from common to legendary, significantly affect damage and accuracy. Always prioritize gathering resources like wood, stone, and metal. You'll need at least 100 of each for effective early-game building and defense. To secure a victory royale, advanced strategies are essential. Always maintain strong map awareness, checking your minimap frequently, and listening for audio cues like footsteps or gunfire. Strategic rotations are vital to stay ahead of the storm and position yourself favorably for late-game encounters. Practice editing your built structures to create unexpected angles for shooting or quick escapes. Dedicate time to improving your aim and reaction speed in the game's creative mode, which offers excellent training opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.